Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, we would like to say thank you for watching our presentation. It's great to see you all. Today, our team, we will explain about fast casual restaurant. Let me introduce our team. Okay. In group 14, there is I am Adina Maharani, and there is Dewi Handayani, and Iva Khairani Ibrahim, Nagal Sigit, Risalati Tahira El Islami, and Salsa Azahra. And for the next, we would like to explain about fast casual restaurant and Pizza Hut restaurant as an example. And for the first explain about fast casual restaurant definition, Dewi, who will explain about this. So please, Dewi.
Okay, thank you, Adinda. I can fast casual restaurant. Fast casual restaurant is a restaurant that provides quality food with a comfortable dining atmosphere at quite expensive price. Fast casual restaurant is a combination of fast food and casual dining. Food quality is good, efficient and convenient service and operation. And then Pizza Hut restaurant. Pizza Hut restaurant is a restaurant that specializes in selling food in the form of pizza with various types of flour and pizza dishes, where customer can eat pizza directly on the spot with table manner, or take it home, or even delivery. Thank you, Salsa. Thank you, Adinda.
Okay, thank you, Dewi, for the presentation. And for the next, Nigel will explain us and show us about atmosphere in Pizza Hut restaurant. So please, Nigel.
Thank you, Adinda, for the opportunities. Since we know about the definition of fast casual restaurant is combined surface where you can sit in the restaurant to enjoy the atmosphere of the restaurant, but also accompanied by fast delivery or food to our table. So the atmosphere is almost similar with fast food restaurant and almost similar with casual dining restaurant. First, we will begin the atmosphere from the furniture aspect. The furniture used to be simpler, such as standard chairs and dining tables. And the interior design, the interior of the restaurant is also very comfortable, so it can make customer relax and enjoy the food. Um, it is it is It is better than fast food restaurant, but simpler than a casual dining restaurant. And for the service and order, customers are required to order food at the counter, but the waiter will deliver your food to your table. So it's rare to see a long queue on this kind of restaurant. The restaurant serve food with healthier and fresher raw materials than served quickly, but this type of fast casual restaurant is different from fast food restaurant. That's for the materials of food. Next. Here's the pictures of the atmosphere of Pizza Hut restaurant that We can see the interior of the restaurant is more comfortable than fast food restaurant, but simpler than casual dining restaurant. So it can make customer relax and enjoy the food with the atmosphere. Thank you, Adinda. It's enough for me.
Okay, thank you, Nigel, for the explanation. For the next, Eva will explain us special service in fast casual restaurant. So please, Eva.
Okay, thank you, Adinda, for the opportunity. I will explain the service that you can only find in fast casual restaurants. The first is limited service or self-service. Some fast casual restaurants also offer limited service, which involves bringing food directly to the customer's table. And next, emphasis on dining in. While fast casual establishments offer food to go, their customers tend to dine in much than fast food patrons. Fast casual restaurants therefore put more effort into the ambience of their dining rooms. And then better quality foods. Fast casual serve foods that more healthy than fast food. So fast casual restaurants customers expect higher quality ingredients, fresh ingredients, and are willing to pay for them. A fast casual meal cost is higher than fast food meal. Customizable meal options. Customization is that the forefront of the fast casual movement. Restaurants like Chipotle and Sweet Greens bring the back of the house to the front of the house by displaying ingredients to customers in buffet-style serving cases. Customers can point to the ingredients they want in their dishes or choose pre-made combination for menu. And next, some serve alcohol. Some fast casual spots are increasingly adding alcoholic beverage to their offerings. For example, Chipotle serves margarita in half of its stores. And emphasis on designs. Fast casual restaurants usually have upscale, unique, or highly developed decor. Branding and design are important because of the emphasis on the on-premise dining. Next, Adin. And usually no drive-thru. True are some explanation. Fast casual restaurants usually don't have drive-thru windows like fast food restaurants do. However, more fast casual spots are adding drive-thru ordering system due to some of the dining restriction of the COVID-19 pandemic. Not open as late as fast food restaurants. You typically won't find fast casual restaurants that are open 24/7. Counter payment system. The customer pays for the food first. That means that the table turnover will be higher. And the last special service is featuring an open kitchen, showing how to mix and process the dishes. This is one of the service features. That's all about special service, Adin. I'll give back to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Eva, for the explanation. And for the next, Risa will explain about special rules of the Pizza Hut restaurant. So please, Risa.
Okay, thank you, Adin. Now I will tell you about special rules of Pizza Hut. The first special rules Pizza Hut in COVID-19 pandemic is police, and the second is corporates. In this regards, the underlying base implemented by the company is based on the compliance to the principle of good to the spirit of COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the decision by the company to perform adjustment by postponing and altering and the schedule of business expansion plan because of the COVID-19 pandemic situation in Indonesia. And then Pizza Hut, the performance of the company's compliance to the implementation of social restriction by the government. Thank you, Adin.
Okay, thank you, Risa, for explaining us about special rules. And for the next, Salsa will show us about menu from Pizza Hut restaurant. So please, Salsa.
Okay, thank you, Adinda. There is a menu from Pizza Hut restaurant. Pizza Hut restaurant not only provides a pizza menu, but there but there are several other menus such as pasta and appetizer. And for example, there is for pizza menu is there meat lovers, super supreme, and tuna melt. And for the pasta menu, there is beef spaghetti, cheese beef fusilli, creamy beef classic fettuccine, and beef lasagna. And for the appetizer, there is a garlic bread, fresh salad, deluxe chicken or tuna, bruschetta. Next. Pizza Hut restaurant provides also provides size option for pizza in general. There are personal or small size, regular, medium size, and large. And this is a photo from the menu. And this is a large size of pizza. It's called 1 meter limo pizza. This pizza present that for customer can enjoy large pizza that can be consumed by up to 8 people. Thank you. That is from menu. Back to Adinda.
That's what we can say about fast casual restaurant and Pizza Hut restaurant for the example. Thank you for watching and listening. May all this we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.